Hands are full, sorry. Thank you.
Now the cafeteria will getting too much sweet. When I drink, I only have half like that.
Back in Dubai Mall. New fresh take. Nine is fine. Why also a 9.5? Are people going up a half or?
Yeah, usually like that.
This is tighter.
What's taking you so long, man? Quickly.
You're cold, man.
Sir, I said already in your SMS.
Okay, the invoice, yeah?
Oh, so nice.
Yeah. I just like missed the titanium and
The color nice.
yeah.
Also, we more of the switched up a titanium to that.
Aluminum, right? Yeah.
No, but this nice. Nicer.
Yeah. Alright, dude. I'll see ya
Chalo, milte hain.
later. Second half. I'm gonna swing by after the
Yeah, let me
sound check, yeah? See ya, man. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Nike SB. Just went to the store and picked up my pair of the 95s. Now, you've seen that I had these on feet. I'm gonna be a little careful because these just got worn. I've had these on feet for quite a while actually. I picked these up on the back of my trip to Iceland, so maybe around July or August. And these have seen a fair bit of wear. Like I've worn this a lot. Even during my trip to Amsterdam in October, I had these on feet. I absolutely love the comfort on the Cactus Flower SB95, which is why I decided to pick up the one from Eric Koston. So in terms of sizing, you can see I went through the size, US 9, UK 8, lifting the lid open. We've already seen this in store, but let's get it out. I love how they do this Air Max pair, but they still provide you with an SB box. That's kind of cool, yeah? The purple SB box. And I think it also came with an SB sticker. Yep, I was right. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a clear or a white Nike SB sticker. And now let's get into the sneaker itself. Bam! The Eric Koston Nike Air Max 95 SB. Now, before we dive in, I thought I'll show you on the right pair. It comes attached with two extra laces, which is the yellow and navy. This is navy, right? Yeah. Which is the yellow, the navy. The shoe comes pre-laced in white, but I am gonna swap the laces out for the navy pair because I think that would look a lot more nicer with the dark tongue. Now I'm gonna use the left pair because it doesn't have all the laces hanging out of it. However, since I already took you through those extra laces, here's an interesting detail. On the tongue of the right pair, it says Koston, like how it otherwise says Air Max, and that is something you see on the left pair. It says Air Max. The Cactus Flower is kind of broader, and it's not because I've worn it, because from the very first wear itself, it was a lot more comfier and broader. This one, on the other hand, a little narrower and snug, but I'm pretty sure they'll break in nicely. Okay, so here we have the regular Air Max 95 silhouette, and then you have your Air Max unit done there in yellow all through. Reflective panel on the back. You can see the Nike SB and Air done right there. And also a few stray stitches sticking out, so the finish or the quality, the QC, isn't all that great. Like on the Cactus Flower, it was kind of flawless. No glue stains or whatever that I can really see. But then you have your outsole. The Cactus Flower again had a gum outsole. This one's your regular outsole, but again done in that SB execution. So it's been narrowed out, thinned out, a lot more grippier for that skateboard when you do your kick flips or whatever else. In terms of the shade, in a lot of the videos, the midsole looked black, or in a lot of the pictures. But yeah, this is a proper navy midsole. And you can see these different executions or different shades of blue, but also in different kinds of leather across each of these waves. When it comes all the way to the top, it's got the beige, and that's a nice suede. So this is suede, this is suede. These two feel like proper leather. And the same with the toe box, till you see this Thai text. Now, this was the finalizing factor. I really wanted to get that. It says Nike in Thai, but I really wanted that text on the toe, so that's the reason I picked up the pair. How silly, right? On your tongue here, this panel is reflective as well. You have your Air Max tongue, a nice mesh toe area over here all through the upper, like fly cables through which the laces are done. So that's a nice detail. Man, speaking of, I think it's going to be a challenge to redo the laces on this pair. But hey, it is what it is. You have a nice yellow Nike swoosh done right here on the heel, and that carries on even on the same pair. So there's no real differences between both the pairs, except of course the Koston done right there on the tongue. Which reminds me, I got to pull the insole out on this pair because the insole has some interesting details. I think it's the air units sketched out on the insole. Let me rip it out real quick. So here we have the insole, and like you can see, they have this nice graphic kind of a design on it. But on the forefoot and on the heel, you have your Air Max units sketched out. So that's an interesting detail right there. Insole doesn't feel plush or anything. It's just your regular insole. Now the tongue is all gusseted together, so it stays firm in one place. I'm not too sure if that's how it works on all of the pairs, but you can see how it is a full panel the tongue is attached to. I guess that's pretty much it for this pair. I ought to slip them on feet to show you what they look like, which I will do. Speaking of QC, this is another thing I noticed where the navy has bled onto this gray suede right here. But hey, anyway, I'm gonna be not destroying, but wearing this fairly a lot on my feet. So it's not too bad. Okay, onto the on feet. So this is the top down view of the pair. Now that I've loosened out the laces a little bit, it looks as broad as the Cactus Flower pair. But still, I don't think they're as comfy or as soft as the Cactus Flower pair. This is not bad, it's nice. And you all know I'm not a fan of the dark midsole, but I just had to get it for that thigh text. And of course, it's an Eric Koston collab. And Eric Koston has got a few collabs with Nike. He's done some pairs in the past, but this one's quite nice. I remember being at the store and there was this other guy who walked in and he said, "Oh, a Michigan colorway, I definitely want that pair." And that's not something I'd thought of or considered. I mean, there is no relevance to me, right? If it's a Michigan colorway, for me, it's just a comfy Air Max 95 in that SB execution. I've got all the laces out, so this is how the pair looks. You see, it's all a one-piece upper, the tongue, like a neoprene kind of an upper. I'm gonna swap them out for the navy ones. All right, and this is what it looks with the lace swapped. I personally prefer the navy lace to the white. Yellow for me is a little too bright, so I think this looks much better on the pair. Keeps that mid area all nice and uniform. And then you have these pops of color, and then you have navy again. Yep, I'm gonna go with the navy laces. The material swap on these pairs is quite interesting because if you look at the Cactus Flower pair, this panel is suede and these are leather, and your toe is suede as well. Whereas on this pair, it's leather on the lower panels and then the higher panels are suede. Right this one here and the gray one. And the toe is again like a nubuck. Oh wait, there you go. Glue stain. Too good to be true, yeah. And then you have these panels which are again very similar to what's on the Cactus Flower, which is like this mesh right here, and then this perforated mesh here. And you see that again on the Cactus Flower, you have a tighter knit mesh here, and then a wider knit black perforated panel. But both laces swapped. Cactus Flower against the Eric Koston. And shlabam, that's it for this review of the Air Max 95 by Eric Koston. A neat pair. I think this is going to be like my vacation pair when I travel to maybe Thailand, Vietnam, any of Southeast Asia. I'm obviously going to wear it here as well, but I love this pair. Not so much as the Cactus Flower. I really love that pair. This is not too bad. This is nice. Oh yeah, I haven't Oh, yeah. All right. Thanks for staying all the way to the end, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.